Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell Vostro 5000. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dell Vostro 5000 is feeling dead slow and takes forever to open anything, you're not alone. This sluggish performance is often due to a failing hard drive or an outdated storage solution, which can lead to frustrating delays and decreased productivity. If left unresolved, it could eventually result in total system failure, causing you to lose valuable data. To tackle this issue, we will be replacing the sluggish hard drive with a new SSD. For this repair, you'll need a few tools, a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, a plastic spudger, and of course, your new SSD. To get started, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by turning the laptop over and removing the screws from the bottom panel. Be cautious as some screws may be hidden beneath rubber feet. Use your plastic spudger to carefully pry open the bottom panel without damaging the casing. Once you have access to the internals, you'll notice the hard drive located near the center. Carefully disconnect the SATA cable connected to the existing hard drive. This may require a gentle tug, but be mindful not to pull too hard as this could damage the connector. Once the cable is free, remove the screws holding the hard drive in place and gently lift it out. Now, take your new SSD and insert it into the same slot, ensuring that it fits snugly. Reattach the screws to secure it in place and reconnect the SATA cable. Make sure the connections are secure but avoid applying too much force. As you proceed, exercise caution to avoid damaging any surrounding components. Once everything is secured, replace the bottom panel and reinsert the screws. Power on your device and check that it recognizes the new SSD. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent similar issues in the future, consider keeping your system updated and regularly check the health of your drives. Additionally, using an SSD can greatly enhance performance and reduce loading times. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.